Okay, I got cut off. All right, so to continue our class superlatives, next up is a great leader. Gerardo was given the award of best all around for this reason. He was just such a good leader, definitely a great role model for all of the students, someone who I looked up to as just an awesome, awesome kid, and who I know the students looked up to as well. Great leader, great classmate goes to Gerardo. Incredible storyteller goes to Mac Abercrombie. Mac came in every single morning with some type of story that he had. We all loved listening to his stories, from what he did on his farm to something that happened over the weekend. And he always had the best stories to come in and tell us almost every morning. So Mac, we enjoyed all of your stories that you had to share with us, and we will definitely miss hearing them. Lastly, I don't think it's showing on my screen, but I gave computer whiz to Mr. Brendan. Brendan was our computer whiz. He was always ready to go on the computer, knowing exactly what he was doing. So computer whiz goes to Brendan. That wraps up our awards day. Guys, again, I know this was a crazy end of the year, but I am glad and grateful for technology. So we were able to see each other. We were able to communicate digitally like we are right now. And I am glad that I did get to virtually hang out with you guys and see you guys for a couple of weeks while we did this. It was a very difficult time, I will say, learning the new technology, learning Google Classroom, but you guys were rock stars with it. You jumped right in along with me. We learned it together. We figured it out, and you guys exceeded all of my expectations to finish out the school year, and I am so, so, so proud of all of you. I am proud of you from what we achieved in class together, as well as what we achieved in our digital learning days. So, congratulations, guys. You are officially done with the third grade. I could not be more proud of you. I'm going to miss you all, and I love you. Okay? Have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful summer. Enjoy your time with your family. Enjoy going on, hopefully, vacations and making fun memories. But you guys are incredible. I love you all. Bye.